Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username on Instagram using your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you just want to click on edit profile, and here you can see the username option or section, so just go ahead and click on that. So just to remind you, you can change your username for another 14 days. Okay, so here just go ahead and type any username that you want. And then once you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on done at the upper right corner of your screen. So here, as you can see, this username isn't available. So just go ahead and type another username that you want, or just add any numbers. So let's just wait. So there you have it, and click on done again. So here, as you can see, my username is changed. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.